Hello everyone, I'm Provic, your church media solution guy, and you're welcome back to the channel. Now, if your X-USB card keeps disconnecting randomly from your multitrack PC or the PC you use to live stream, I'm about to walk you through how to fix this. Alright, so the DAW I use is Reaper, and randomly I'd get this message during my multi-track recording that there's an error initializing ASIO drivers and the multi-track recording would break. So guess what fixed it for me? So I came to device manager and tab over to so you come over to the USB serial bus controller. Then usually on PC there are a lot of ports, some 3.0, some 2.0. What I just did was I came to properties. You might not really know which port you're using, then power management, then uncheck this, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So I did this for this other option as well, as you can see. Then everything here, if it has the power option, I just unchecked that setting, and I don't think this has. Okay, this has as well. Okay, unchecked or uncheck. This doesn't have, and that's it. Basically, that's what fixed it for me. Another thing you want to do is try connecting your X32 and your DAW's PC to the same extension, to the same power source, and that's what I did. I connected my X32 to the same power source as my DAW's PC, and I unchecked this settings in device manager under the universal serial bus controller, and that solved it for me. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video.